Oh my God, y'all, look at my colleagues' Uggs. They're so cute. How much were these?
They're 130 on sale. Or 132 or
130.
something.
They're so cute. Oh my God, I want one.
They're originally 190.
Oh.
So I was like, I have to get them.
These are brand new. Look.
Oh yeah, just
spotless.
This is my first time wearing them today.
Oh, just today? Oh my God. Online?
Yeah, on the actual.
I'm going
Canada.
I'm going online. Hi, we're going to Staples. Can I just say, my friend's steering wheel. I am living. I love it. I mean, look at what she's wearing. I don't know if you can see her Uggs. And then look at that steering wheel, and then look at her shirt. I have really good friends, y'all. I'm just saying, birds of the same feather flock together. We are all stylish, we're all sassy, and we're not white. So there you go. Oh, look at the clouds, though.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, yeah,
Girl.
right. Sorry. Yeah, we're on our way. Oh, damn. Look at the clouds, though. The clouds look so good. And
It's
that
pretty
blue sky.
today.
Yeah. It is drizzling.
It is, right? Yeah.
It is drizzling.
And do you see the ground? Look.
Yeah. Is that rain?
Oh, look at the ground. It looks like it's blowing like snow or something, too.
Oh my God, is it snowing again?
I think it's gonna snow again.
Oh,
I'm so sick of
Lord.
Calgary.
It needs to stop. It needs to stop.
I'm actually sick of it. I can't.
I really am. Hey, listen, you're gonna be in Greece in about what? A week and a half?
I know.
Oh, the audacity of this
2
girl.
weeks, but
Girl, can you please bring me back a Greek god?
yes.
That's all I want. I don't want anything else. Just a Greek god, and I don't even care if they're hairy. I can have them. I can ask them to shave. You know what I mean? Greeks can be hot.
Yeah, you know.
The Mediterranean features. Oh, you said you could go for a Greek or an Italian.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, add in the Spanish in there.
The
Oh,
food. I'm so done with this weather.
this weather
City.
sucks. Why is it blowing sideways? That's snow, girl. That is snow.
That's what I was saying. First,
That is not
first
rain.
It was at first. Everything was wet, and then it turned from rain to snow.
God. Why? Hey, I love this song, "Kiss from a Rose" by Seal. But I do have a question for you, Chrisana.
Yes.
Why did Heidi Klum act as if Seal was like the most handsome?
Don't get
man
me
in the
started.
world?
Don't get me
Why?
started.
Why? This is wild. It is snowing. That's snow, right?
Yeah.
Oh God.
It is hot out.
I mean, here, look. You can see it. Snow, and more snow. This is the life of a Calgarian. You know what I mean? Dealing with unpredictable weather. Look, y'all. Hot Wheels Barbie. That is cute. But it's $7.50. Girl, no. Put it back.
I think it's actually $8.99 this
$9 for that? Absolutely not. No, that's not worth a toonie. I'm telling you right now.
At Walmart, the Hot Wheels were like $2.
See, Walmart, $2. Yo, this is crazy. We were just inside Staples for like what, less than 5 minutes? But look, the sun is out. Snow is gone. Now it's wind. What is going on? Holy smokes. Oh my God. My friend said that she opened her mouth and her teeth got cold. You need to see a dentist for this. Just saying.
No, my teeth are perfect.
I'm so excited for your trip to Greece, honestly.
I'm so excited too.
Go for it. Have fun. How long are you gone for?
10 days.
10 days? Oh my God. The dream, man.
I was gonna do 16, but I was like, that might be too long.
Yeah, 16 might be a little bit too long. But 10 days on your own in Greece? Oh, girl, go for it. Spread your legs. You know what I mean?
No, I don't do that.
That's what I would be doing. I would be on all fours, girl. All fours. Oh, I would be committing crime. I would be doing illegal things. If I were to go to Greece on my own, oh, girl, trust me, you'll find me on the news. Like, I'm gonna be acting as if I had diplomatic immunity. You know what I mean? Just slamming my cooter on every single man I see. I am not kidding. I'm like, what's your name? Boom. You know what's funny? My mom is watching this. And hi, Mom.
Poor mom.
Yo, I don't know if you can see it.
There's tiny bits of like snow or whatever.
Yeah.
My windshield's wet like it had rained. This is crazy. These two little dogs, and they were in the little dog carrier.
Yeah.
So he wanted to scare me.
Oh, girl, that's a red flag.
Okay,
right
thank
there.
you. He
Oh
wanted
my
to
God.
scare me. Oh my gosh, I don't like this turn. He wanted to scare me, so he kicked the dog kennel. But he took the dogs out of the kennel when I wasn't looking. But he wanted to scare me, so he pretended that
He pretended the dogs were inside the red flag
so
right
then,
there.
I
Red
literally
flag.
ran away from him.
I would have
and
too.
Then, but I felt bad because I felt like I treated him badly. But I'm like, no. Now that I look back at it,
Red
it's
flag.
because you were crazy.
Yep, crazy. Is it still alive? Oh, I just realized you have a bling bling right here. Oh,
I love money.
Yeah, me too. I mean, I love money, but money does not love me, so. I don't know if you can see it, but it is snowing again. Oh my God. This is wild. The fuck?